Hi everyone. Welcome to RFacts. Do you know about earthquakes? An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the Earth's surface caused by the movement of tectonic plates or volcanic activity. The shaking is caused by the release of energy that has built up within the Earth's crust, resulting in seismic waves that travel through the ground. The Earth's surface is made up of tectonic plates, which are constantly moving and interacting with each other. When two plates collide, one plate may be forced underneath the other in a process called subduction. Alternatively, two plates may move past each other, creating a fault line where they meet. As the plates move and interact, they can build up tremendous amounts of pressure and stress. When the pressure becomes too great, the rocks along the fault line can fracture, causing an earthquake. The sudden release of energy sends seismic waves through the Earth's crust, which can be felt as shaking on the surface. The severity of an earthquake is measured using the Richter Scale, which measures the energy released by the earthquake. Earthquakes can also be triggered by volcanic activity or human-induced activities such as underground mining or construction. The impact of an earthquake can vary depending on its magnitude, the depth of its epicenter, and the local geology of the affected area. Earthquakes can cause damage to buildings and infrastructure, trigger landslides, and cause tsunamis. Here are 25 facts about earthquakes. An earthquake is the shaking of the Earth's surface caused by the sudden release of energy from the Earth's crust. Earthquakes can occur anywhere on the Earth's surface but are most common in areas where tectonic plates meet. The largest earthquake ever recorded was a magnitude 9.5 that struck Chile in 1960. Earthquakes are measured using the Richter scale, which ranges from 0 to 10. The energy released by a magnitude 8 earthquake is equivalent to the energy released by 10 atomic bombs. Most earthquakes occur along the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region of intense volcanic and seismic activity. Earthquakes can cause landslides, tsunamis, and avalanches. The shaking caused by an earthquake can last from a few seconds to several minutes. The first recorded earthquake was in China in 1177 BC. Earthquakes can cause liquefaction, where the soil becomes unstable and behaves like a liquid. The speed of seismic waves can vary depending on the type of rock they are passing through. Earthquakes can be caused by volcanic activity, landslides, and even meteorite impacts. There are about 500,000 earthquakes each year around the world, but most are too small to be felt. The deadliest earthquake in history occurred in China in 1556, killing an estimated 830,000 people. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, monitors earthquakes around the world and provides real-time data to help predict and respond to seismic events. The term aftershock refers to smaller earthquakes that occur after a larger earthquake. Earthquakes can trigger secondary hazards such as fires, power outages, and water supply disruptions. The intensity of an earthquake is measured using the modified Mercalli intensity scale, which ranges from I to 12. Earthquakes can be caused by the movement of tectonic plates, which can create faults or fractures in the Earth's crust. The largest earthquake ever recorded in the United States was a magnitude 9.2 that struck Alaska in 1964. Some animals can sense earthquakes before they occur and may exhibit unusual behavior. Earthquakes can be predicted using seismographs and other monitoring equipment, but accurate predictions are difficult. The word earthquake comes from the Old English term eorthquelm, which means earthquake or earthquake sickness. Earthquakes can cause permanent changes in the landscape, such as the formation of new mountains or valleys. The study of earthquakes is called seismology, and scientists who study earthquakes are called seismologists. Thanks for watching. Subscribe please.